Really good location, pretty close to the tube, within 5 minutes walk. The staff were amazing and so friendly and very helpful to my mother, who has walking difficulties and unexpectedly had to spend the first night there without me due to my flight cancellation.
Only issue we had was that Booking.com did not notify the hotel that I had charged my check-in date from the 29th to the 30th of December. My booking was cancelled, but they managed to sort out another room once I provided emails showing the changes.
Comfort beds and pillows. Great location. It is only 5 minutes walking from the tube station, and using the Grey Line take you to the central of London within short time.
The room service ends at 4:30 p.m. so if you need help after that time, it is not available.
Well, staff OM in particular, he took every effort to make my decision change. I literally went and asked within 1 hour of my check-in that I want to shift or cancel booking, but then they convinced me and I stay, and then he helped me every day and greeted me and made sure to convert my heart to say this was the
Breakfast
best.
was disappointing. No vegetarian option available for cooked breakfast. Eggs were tasteless. Shower curtain instead of a screen, so not overly hygienic. Location is misleading, although we should have done more research.